Hello everyone. So this video we can talk about the functions or methods. What is method used in oops. So methods basically are functions and which are used in the ops programming, object oriented programming. So we know that if function is the repetition of code in our code. So we also use in function in class. So that is, and the common name of the function is known as, we know that, methods. So let's create a function in object oriented programming. So let's class, again class is equal to student info. Okay, student info. You clear that. First of all, I create a while loop, while true. Okay, so I can create a while loop. So now I can create a class is equal to student info. Okay, don't be do space in the sentence, info in the word. Okay, so info, I can make a class, and then now let's suppose I can create a function in the class. So this is also known as method. So we can create diff is equal to diff and name data. Okay, and then and now self is the self its own self, it's the object, and the self is mandatory to write in the function. If we not write a self in the function, that Python interpreter give error in the program. So we write a self or other thing, and now the extra the main point of that, not write a self, or you can write anything, but the most programmer also use a self, so we can be also use a self. Okay, you can everything self. Okay, so now we take a value from the user. So that is the student info, and that is mean that we can collect the data of the students. So by the roll number wise, we can create a roll number system from the student information. So then I take a value from the user. So user marks the roll number equals to int mean int. We can take input from the user in integer. Okay, so we can write a integer. So now input function, we use input function, and then enter your roll number, please. Okay, if user enter, then so okay, I can skip number. Okay, so okay, so take a user input from the user. So now if the user, if in this section we use the if statement. So then if roll number equals to that number, that is a specific number, if the user input number. Okay, so then print. Okay, yeah, environment, I can okay, I can write a pass keyword, because I don't write nothing for this time, and create only objects on that. So then I create class. So detail is equal to, I write the objects, detail is equal to info, class name, and then detail dot name. Okay, then we take input from the user. So name is equal to, I write qzk code. Okay, qzk code. So detail dot father name equals to, for example, I write Harry. Harry. Okay, detail dot dob date of birth, dob equals to 2 in 2021. Okay, and detail, and okay, that's all detail we put to the system, and when the user enters the number, then he print this data. So now we call the function. The function mean data dot data. We call these functions, for example in functional programming we call the functions like that. So now come to there, and let's put the values. If roll number equals to 2023, okay, then print student in the name if string, we are string, and then put the name of the student is a, and put that. And if strings, we know that talking about if strings, so print that, control copy and print on that. Okay, control C, V 4 times, 1 2 3, then control C. Okay, that is name, further, yeah, 1 minute I can write this in that place. Okay, and then dob control C and print based on that. So if the user enter this number, then print that. Else print this number is not valid. Okay, we can this thing. So now run this file, clear terminal, delete, new terminal open, and write. I can run the file, so that take a time, so please wait for them. Yes, please. Okay, for example, type into 2331. So you can get the name of the student, the name of the there's the name, here it is the name, sorry, ME and ME. Okay, so now that is the first student, and let's talk. You can create, for example, more than, so then copy this, control C, and then come V. Okay, so control Z and then V. Tab and control V. That is called, that is okay. So now 3 1 cut, control Z and cut 2, and this is Harry. Harry's father. Okay, then for example 23. Okay, come to that, can open normal terminal. So open that and file, delete this, run new terminal. Okay, so code sometimes the terminal are make a problem of this. Please wait for that, and then the Python file is running in Python is interpreted programming language, so that is slow. Like we noted the 2321 that and 2323 32. So you know that we can create a multiple programming student data. For example, we create control C and control V. Okay, then and this control S and then run. That run and it's 3 Michael. We can change the Michael. Okay, Michael's father. Okay, I can change this Michael. Okay, do this in 23 22 and valid. So 23 23 then invalid. Let's run file, then run, then 23 31 and 23 32 33 23 33. Then you can check it out how to create how to create a student management system through object oriented programming, and now how to use the function and function in the object oriented programming. So if you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and please support us in this type of project. If this is a mini type project, please support us for more things. Thank you so much.